Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shiko. If it's your first time here, karibu sana. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today, as you can see, we are in the kitchen and I'm having green bananas right here, and I want to show you guys how to prepare the most amazing green bananas. Yes, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading.
So these are the green bananas that we are going to be using. I don't know the exact type because if you're from Central, bananas kuna different types. Ganda, mutore, they are different. Me, I don't know this one is which one. It's Mwangi, how to differentiate them. For the longest time, I wasn't a fan, but since I discovered that recipe, thanks to Georgina Mbira, I saw it on her Instagram and I tried it and it was amazing. Yeah, so let's get into it. So the first step is peeling the bananas, as you can see. And then we can boil them. So here are the bananas boiling. You can choose to boil the bananas while they are unpeeled, or you can follow my procedure whereby you first peel the bananas and then boil them. So we are gonna leave this to boil till it's cooked. If you don't want the bananas to get hard, please leave them covered so that the steam is not gonna leave. Because the last time I tried this recipe, after boiling, I transferred the bananas to another container, but they got really hard. So the tip is to leave them covered before you fry them. Yes. So the bananas should be ready by now. This is how you find out if they're ready. So yeah, they are very ready. So these are our main ingredients. We have onions, garlic, which I've crushed. We have coconut milk, blue band, and salt. These are our main ingredients. So I'm gonna fry the onions and the garlic. Start with cooking oil. I've added salt and curry powder, but if you have Royco, the Royco cubes, it works better. So I've added the bananas, so I'm now mashing them. So adjust the heat first, put it at minimum level as you mash. Next, we are going to use blue band. Next, we're gonna use this coconut milk. You guys should notice the texture. It's not very hard, and that's because of the coconut milk and the fact that I left the bananas covered after boiling them. So this is the final result. It is smooth, very smooth. It's not hard. So make sure that's the consistency you get, and then mash them very finely. So this is our final result. I've garnished with coriander, and yeah, it turned out so well. So I'm gonna serve this with grilled chicken and a salad. This is how the mashed bananas turned out. I really loved how soft they were, and I served them with grilled chicken and some salad. So you can watch the grilled chicken tutorial still on this channel, it will be the next video after this one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you can try this. If you do happen to try it, kindly comment down below, tell me if you loved the results. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.